Let's fill out the Massachusetts Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a boat in Massachusetts, here's what you need to know to get the paperwork right. First, the seller will need to provide a title, and that certificate of title must be signed over from the seller to the buyer. So both parties want to make sure that transfer is completed properly. The buyer will need to include the date of purchase on the documentation. And keep in mind, you have 20 days after the date of sale to take care of the required steps, so don't wait too long. If there is a lien on the boat, you will also need a lien release from the lien holder before the transfer can move forward. Massachusetts requires proof of payment of the Massachusetts sales tax as part of the bill of sale process, so make sure you have that documentation ready. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.